Everyone, again, it is time to walk the walk and talk the talk of Python programming. Again, we're doing our second exercise here. Okay, we gotta print a box like the one below. So it has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Or 19 asterisks just like before, except that on the second and third row there are only 2 of them. Okay, so ideally we're displaying this box right here, so let's take care of that. The most intuitive solution will simply look as follows. I'll simply go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'll simply copy that and then I'll paste that. You see, what we're doing it now is to create the second and the third row. The second one has to look like this. We have this asterisk. How many spaces? We need 17 of them and another asterisk. So it's gonna look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then lastly you put that. Matter of fact, we can copy that and then put it underneath. Okay. I'll simply go because I want to save this file instead of a one over there. We're dealing with the second exercise now, so we put a 2. Again, this is pretty straightforward, guys. There's literally nothing to explain here. Now we hit the run button, getting the exact thing that we anticipated. Okay, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. Again, I'll be giving out another solution on this exercise. As I mentioned before, I like doing things in different ways. I find that beneficial. In fact, I found that beneficial for me, so I'm hoping it will for other people as well. Okay, see you guys on the next solution. In the meantime, I'm gone.